Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that I know a lot of you are curious about. What body parts do women notice first in men? Before I start, I want to remind everyone that individual preferences and attractions differ. There's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. But from a comprehensive interview with my friends, I've compiled a top 4 list of some of the most common body parts that women tend to notice first in men. If you are new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up and turn on post notifications so you never miss amazing videos like this. Number 4. Eyes. First and foremost, we have the eyes. The eyes are frequently regarded as the window to the soul, as they may disclose a great deal about a person's emotions and thoughts. They are incredibly expressive and may reflect many emotions, including happiness, enthusiasm, sadness, and rage. They can also be quite appealing and have a significant role in attraction. Many people are drawn to males with attractive eyes, whether deep blue or warm brown, and they can't help but notice them. It's not simply the color of the eyes that can make a man look more desirable. The shape, size, and overall aspect of the eyes can also make a man look more appealing and charming. Number 3. Smile. Then there's the smile. A man's smile might be one of his most beautiful qualities. A genuine and pleasant grin may make a man stand out and be highly captivating in a crowd. A smile can express various feelings, ranging from happiness and joy to confidence and kindness. A friendly smile might imply that a man is approachable and easy to talk to, which can make him even more appealing. But it's not just about having a beautiful grin. It may also be contagious and positively impact others around him. When someone smiles, it naturally makes them feel happier and more comfortable. It's like a ray of light on a gray day. And let's face it, a man with a great smile undoubtedly appeals to the eyes. It might brighten his face and make him appear even more attractive. A terrific smile can also make a man appear more approachable and confident, which can be a significant advantage in personal and professional situations. Number 2. Physique. The physique is third on the list. Many women find a fit and healthy physique to be appealing. However, it is crucial to recognize that everyone has different tastes, and what one person finds appealing may not be the same for another. That being said, a man who takes care of his body and is in good form would undoubtedly pique the interest of many women, and for a good reason. A physically fit and healthy man can show that he cares for himself, which is an incredible turn-on for many women. It demonstrates his discipline, dedication, and work ethic. It also shows that he values his health and well-being, which may be a significant bonus in a relationship. It's also worth noting that a fit and healthy body symbolizes confidence and self-assurance. A man at ease and happy in his skin can be immensely handsome and emanate charm and charisma. Number 1. Good sense of humor. We have a good sense of humor as well. Many women find a man with an exquisite sense of humor appealing. Making someone laugh is vital. It may break the ice, calm and comfort individuals, and demonstrate that a person is easygoing and enjoyable. A man with a beautiful sense of humor can show that he is self-assured, thoughtful, and not afraid to be himself. It could also imply that he handles challenging situations with grace and ease. A good sense of humor can also indicate intelligence and wit, all of which are desirable traits in a spouse. A man who can make a woman laugh is someone she would undoubtedly notice. It can be an incredible turn-on for many women and a significant attractiveness factor. A good sense of humor can also help you bond with someone and make your relationship more engaging and fun. It's crucial to remember that humor is subjective, and not everyone finds the same things amusing. On the other hand, a man with a fantastic sense of humor and the ability to make a woman laugh is someone she will notice and remember. As previously stated, these are only some of the most popular body parts that women notice initially. Everyone's tastes vary, and numerous more qualities might make a man appealing. That concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please share your ideas in the comment section below. Thank you for viewing it, and I hope to see you again in my next video.